To import your address book to the Fax87's address book platform, first you need to make sure you have the appropriate column names and the appropriate columns and the rows put together. So what do you actually need to have in your file? Essentially, all we require you to have is the first name and the fax column. Anything else you have, they're optional. You can upload them or not, but these two columns must be there. And you cannot have any space between the name of the columns. As you can see, company name is all one word, first name all one word. You also have a screenshot on this knowledge base showing you a screenshot of the specific format that we're looking at. The other thing to be careful about is the fax number needs to be 11 digits. That's right, 11 digits. If you're sending internationally, it would actually include the international prefix, the area code, and the rest of the numbers. But if you're sending to the US, any number you have, it will start with a 1 and the other 10 digits with no dashes, no spaces, or anything as such. So again, first name, fax, 11 digits. Any other field you want to have, you can have them. They're optional. Just follow the criteria as far as the naming of each column. And lastly, you want to make sure it is a CSV file. To save a file as a CSV, you would just go there and type in whatever you would like, test, and make sure the save as type is chosen as CSV, comma, delimited. And I click on save. Yes, exit this. I'm going to click no save. And once you have done so on the Fax87 platform, simply click on Address Book. Under Address Book, you have the option to create many different groups of addresses. And here you see that I have a prospective customers group with no addresses in there. Once you have addresses in there, you also can move them from one group to another group. Let's go ahead and import that one test file we were looking at just a moment ago. When you click on import, you'll see this new pop-up appear. On the very first row, click on choose file. Go ahead and find the document or the CSV that you'd like to upload, and this is the one that I had. You want to leave everything the way it is. Do not change anything else. Under Address Book, you can choose a different group if you'd like to put them under a different group. I'm going to choose prospective customers, and you must change the prefer address type to fax. So again, upload your file, choose the group, if any, or you can just put it under default, and change the prefer address type to fax. Once you do, just go ahead and click on import. And it seems like I forgot to attach it. Or here we go, once again. Fax, everything else is good. Import. And that has imported. Now if we go to prospective customers, I will see that now I have a person called Matt Johnson with all the information that I had in my address book. So that's all you got to do in order to upload your address book to the platform. Thanks, guys.